has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Jackson County, Illinois, Perry County, Missouri, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Perryville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Graham Tower, Perryville, Longtown, Altenburg, and Frona. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 121 and 133. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Jackson, Illinois, and Perry, Missouri. Here are some